Are you working with dose-response assays? A recent application note describes how the BIOSPOT workstation can be used to achieve high precision and efficiency in compound concentration curve. In this app note, the Hamilton BIOSPOT is used to simplify dose-response curve generation with precise nanoliter dispensing. The BIOSPOT is equipped with 8 piped for non-contact nanoliter dispensing and the Smart Drop technology for automated calibration of the target volume. Understanding the relationship between compound dose and physiological response is crucial in pharmacology and toxicology. In this app note, the COX-2 inhibitor screening assay kit from BPS Biosciences was used to measure the dose-dependent inhibitor activity of the known COX-2 inhibitor, celecoxib. COX-2 is an enzyme that converts arachidonic acid to prostaglandin H2, which is involved in pain and inflammatory processes. In this virtual representation, 8 different compounds at a stock concentration of 10 millimolar are prepared in the source plate, represented in dark blue. Pure DMSO is also prepared in the source plate, here shown in gray. The dose-response curve is generated by the BIOSPOT, repeating a sequence of 4 steps. 1. Aspirate. 2. Calibrate with the Smart Drop to adjust the parameters of the drop volumes needed for each reagent. 3. Dispense using the non-contact pipe jet technology. And 4. Wash the pipe jet to clean the pipes and avoid contamination. First, predilutions 1 and 2 are prepared with DMSO in the intermediate plate. Second, the high concentration part of the curve is prepared directly from the stock compounds in the source plate. Finally, dilutions 1 and 2 are prepared using the corresponding predilutions in the intermediate plate. Let's take a detailed look at the pipetting scheme. The 8 stock solutions of the 8 different compounds and pure DMSO are prepared in the source plate and placed on the deck of the BIOSPOT. After pre-filling the intermediate plate with 200 microliters of DMSO and using the 4-step sequence, the BIOSPOT dispenses the corresponding volumes, 2 microliters and 20 nanoliters, of the stock compounds to create predilutions 1 and 2 and 100 micromolar and 1 micromolar respectively. Aspirating once again from the stock compounds, the stock dilution is created by adding 100, 30, and 10 nanoliters in the first 3 rows of the assay plate. Then, from predilution 1 at 100 micromolar on the intermediate plate, 300, 100, 30, and 10 nanoliter volumes are dispensed into the assay plate. This is repeated using predilution 2 to create dilution 2 in rows 8 to 11 of the assay plate. To complete the dilutions, DMSO is backfilled to 300 nanoliters per well. To conclude the assay, the kit reagents are added manually to all wells to a total volume of 100 microliters, and then the plate is analyzed using a fluorescence plate reader. In the app note, only celecoxib was used as the compound to be tested. This figure shows its dose-dependent effect, where the relative COX-2 activity for celecoxib concentrations ranging from 0.1 nanomolar to 10 millimolar in half-logarithmic steps is displayed. The expected curve proved that the BIOSPOT workstation delivers precise and reproducible 11-point half-logarithmic dose-response curve. Read the full application note to discover how BIOSPOT precise nanoliter dispensing can streamline your dose-response assays and enhance your research productivity.